Hello guys, welcome to Easy Learners Online Academy. I am Jimas Godwin here, and in today's video I will be showing you an online platform where you can promote people's products and gain up to 50% of the amount of the product, which means if you are selling a product of 10,000 naira in Nigeria here, you are getting a 50% of up to 5,000 naira. And the sweet thing about this platform it also accepts foreign currency, and it is also available to so many other countries. So without wasting time, let's go into the video. Okay, right now all you have to do is to come to your Chrome browser and go to the site stakecut.com. Hit on the enter button. So this is the website. Stake affiliate orders in dollar and major currencies. Join 3,000 plus from different countries, so you can promote affiliate products from different countries. And if we scroll down, we'll see now you can take your business global from Africa with just a single line of code, global affiliate network. So Stakecut is just like other affiliate network like Partner, Clickbank and other places where people make their products available for affiliates to sell. So we are going to be registering as an affiliate, and also if you are a coach, you can use this platform to sell your online courses, your digital products, your physical products, your coaching, your ebook and your consulting. So it is also meant for the vendors and for the affiliates too. So without wasting time, let's sign up for an account. So all you have to do is to click on the sign up button here, and we fill these details. So let's put in an email address here, and let's create a password. So click on sign up with email, and as you can see, go ahead and save your password. Please check your email for verification code. So I'm going to open a new tab to check my email. Come over here if you're using a desktop to find your email box. Okay, so as you can see, we got an email from Stakecut. Click on the mail. This is our email verification. Your Stakecut has been created successfully, so we have 10003. So go back to verify your email and click on continue. Let's type in the number 10003. Click on enter. So your email has been verified. Let's sign in. So as you can see, you registered as an affiliate. Total number of sales. This is where you see. This is your dashboard. You can see contents. We have contests hosted here, and here are some top products and vendors. Complete done for you sales $25. Amazon KDP for smartphone $32. Daily info product sales and some other products. So this is, if you come over here, the marketplace, you will find all the products listed on this website and their prices, and also you get to see the day they launched, 14th. The product type is a digital product, the price, the commission you make. So if you sell this product, you are getting 50% of $25, and this man here has sold 91 copies of this product. So we also have Amazon KDP by Abraham. We also available on Partner and Seller. So you also have 50%, and he has sold 82. and the price is $32. So once you register, you have your account like this, you can start promoting. As you can see, we already have huge different products here that are already selling. So this marketplace, this website is a very nice one for anyone who wants to go into affiliate marketing. So all you have to do to promote someone's product is click on promote. When you come over to this page, this is the product page, this is the sales page of the product, and this is the JV page. The JV page will actually provide you with resources that you will use for your promotion. So if I go to the JV page, you can see Amazon KDP for smartphone affiliate page. So it is actually the affiliate page. Material for ads, you click here, you get materials for art, testimonials, webinar video, affiliates challenge, and so many other things. So if you click on get link and you scroll down, so this is my affiliate link. All you have to do is to copy this affiliate link and send it to your friends, and anyone who buys these products through this link, you are getting 50% of this $32 here. So if you do the math, you know how much you get for each sale. So we have bonuses and other informations and URL. So you can create bonus, you create your name, add a bonus URL. So they also have a Telegram channel where you can join for questions. We have bestseller, we have AI writing tools. It's coming soon. So you have WhatsApp automation. You can also become a vendor by clicking on become a vendor. Okay, just before we upgrade your account to a vendor, kindly note that your account will be upgraded permanently to vendor account, and you can list products. All your affiliate activities will still be available for you to use, and all your affiliate anyway will still be intact. You must have a product to list to continue this process. So you can also list your product here as a vendor by clicking on vendor. But like you say, you must have a product before you click on it. So I don't have a product for now. So, and just like that, your account is ready. All you have to do is pick a product, start marketing it through your Facebook and other places, and get people to buy the product with your link, and then you make money. You make 50% commission for every sale you make. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. I will be posting videos from time to time on different affiliate websites and other related topics. Till the next video, see you next time.